Hi, my name is Captain TJ Wiley, and I'm the Chief of AI Infrastructure and Platforms at the JAIC. I lead a team of IT infrastructure and cybersecurity experts in the development of the Joint Common Foundation, or the JCF. In this step of the AI adoption journey, the JAIC will build upon the previous steps and work to connect you with infrastructure that's right for your project. We know the challenges of bringing new information technology capabilities into the DoD. We also recognize that in order to get to operational AI deployment, you first must have essential infrastructure elements to collect, store, and transform raw data into data that is AI ready. You have to write code to label data and to develop models. Then you have to train those models. You iterate, and you iterate again. The resulting model should be assessed with the latest test and evaluation tools and evaluated for adherence to responsible AI principles. And finally, those models need to be delivered to an operational environment for the warfighter to use. The JAIC's in-house infrastructure, the JCF, provides many of these tools within a cloud infrastructure designed to adhere to zero trust architecture principles. The JAIC has made this investment on behalf of the entire department. Why? Because it's hard, it's expensive, and it's a continuously moving target as industry and academia continue to create more robust AI capabilities. The JAIC's infrastructure and platforms team strives to always remain current on the latest innovations, and through multiple forums within the department and beyond, we hone in on the technologies that are in demand by the department and will make a difference. Not only does AI infrastructure need to be reliable, but it also needs to be secure. Consider the time it takes to build out the secure and trusted resources required to obtain an authorization to operate, or ATO, to support your AI adoption journey. Often this can be months, if not over a year. Using the JCF, your organization will be able to use a platform that already has ATO accreditation for data in both AWS and Azure government clouds. We are continuing to expand our capabilities in IL accreditation. The JAIC will take on the burden of developing an AI platform and managing the infrastructure so you can focus on what's most important: AI experimentation and development. We look forward to working with you.